Welcome to Science, Health and Healing Encyclopedia. I am Dr. Ali. The title of the video is a question. Which is more toxic, glucose or fructose? Throughout the history of human evolution, the availability of fructose, the fruit sugar, was extremely limited until the development of fructose-rich corn syrup, which is a serious risk to health. The body's ability to metabolize fructose, to begin with, is very limited. Fructose is metabolized mostly, if not nearly totally, in the liver. Glucose is metabolized in all cells in the body. So that's one big difference. Liver is the scavenger organ which detoxifies most poisons produced as a part of metabolism in the body, as well as those which are ingested with food or consumed with water or breathed in or absorbed through the skin. So in integrative tradition, liver next to the bowel is the single most important organ. Now, I told you that liver's ability to metabolize fructose is limited. It turns them into triglycerides. Now, triglycerides will get stored in the liver and lead to a condition called fatty liver, which, if you don't control, will go to death of liver cells in various parts. It's called steatonecrosis, then scarring of the liver. But the triglycerides will also begin to hurt the lining cells of the blood. And so it is related to high blood pressure, insulin toxicity, prediabetes, eventually diabetes. So fructose-rich corn syrup, unfortunately, is what is being used predominantly in soft drinks. Coca-Cola, Pepsi-Cola, 7-Up. It is a serious hazard, and we should really try our best. Why don't you replace your carbonated soft drinks with Dr.Ali's potassium lemonade, salt substitute, water, 10, 15, 20 drops of lemon juice or more if you like, a dash of cayenne powder to make it spicy lemonade. You can do that once a week. The best source of potassium, the best source of water, very enjoyable. Now you can put a little stevia in it to sweeten it. Unless you have kidney failure or you have high potassium as seen in the laboratory test, you could even do that twice a week. But we have to find ways to stay overhydrated. When we are dehydrated, it alters our perceptions and it affects our brain centers involved with sweet foods. So one way you can fight off the sugar craving is optimal hydration. But sugar craving always means insulin toxicity. Sugar toxicity is what leads to insulin toxicity, which leads to prediabetes, diabetes, but it leads to injury to the brain, injury to the heart. Cholesterol does not cause heart attacks. Cholesterol prevents heart attacks. It's the sugar which causes excess acidity, excess free radical activity, thickening of the blood cell fluid, damage to the cells lining the blood vessel called endocells. This makes perfect sense. This video is a part of my series, Sugar Toxicity video series. And I hope that you will have some time to look at those. The articles accompanying these videos are posted on my website, alidiabetes.org. That's easy to remember, alidiabetes.org. Thank you for joining me. I ask you to share this video with your friends and family. Thank you.